गाइस आप हर रोज इंग्लिश वीडियोस देखते हो, वोकैबुलरी भी सेव करते हो, ग्रामर भी सीखते हो, बट स्टिल व्हेन इट्स टाइम टू स्पीक इंग्लिश योर माइंड गोes blank. Why? Why are some people becoming fluent in months while others stay stuck for years? And no, it's not because they are smarter than you. Guys, most people think English fluency comes from memorizing grammar rules, learning difficult vocabulary, or watching hundreds of videos. But fluency doesn't come from consuming English, it comes from using English. And guys, this is the biggest mistake almost everyone makes. They learn English, but they never train themselves to think in English. And until you fix this, your English will always feel slow, translated, and unnatural. So, guys, in this video, I'll show you the real reason why your English is not improving and how you can finally start speaking confidently. So, without any further delay, let's get started. Guys, the first reason is translation. This one habit destroys fluency. You hear a sentence in Urdu, then your brain tries to convert into in English. And during this process, you become nervous, slow, and confused. That's why you know English but still can't speak English. Because, guys, speaking is happening too late. Your brain is busy in translating instead of communicating. For example, when you want to say मुझे भूख लगी है, your brain starts searching मुझे I भूख hungry am है means am, and by the time you make the sentence, your confidence is already gone. Guys, fluent speakers don't translate. They connect ideas directly to English. They don't think Urdu to English, they think thought to English. And this is the shift you need. Start using small English thoughts daily. Instead of saying in your mind, मैं पानी पीने जा रही हूँ, think I'm going to drink water. Small thoughts repeated daily. That's how fluency begins. Guys, the second reason is fear. And honestly, this fear is silently destroying your confidence. You want perfect English, so before you speaking, you overthink every word. Guys, you think, what if I say it wrong? What if they laugh? What if my grammar is bad? So instead of speaking, you stay silent. But guys, listen carefully. People who become fluent are not the people who speak perfectly. They are the people who keep speaking even when they make mistakes. A child makes thousands of mistakes before speaking correctly. But adults, one mistake and they stop trying. Guys, you are not learning a language, you are training your brain. Speak broken English if necessary, but speak. Confidence comes after speaking, not before. And guys, now here comes another dangerous problem. You only consume English but never practice it. And guys, this feels productive, but actually, it's passive learning. You watch reels, save vocabulary, watch motivational English videos, but you never use the language. Guys, watching swimming videos doesn't teach swimming. You have to enter the water. And English works the same way. Guys, you don't need more information, you need more output, more speaking, more repeating, and more practicing. Do this every day for just 10 minutes. Watch one short English clip, pause it, repeat the sentence loudly. Copy the tone and speak with emotion. This method trains your tongue, your ears, and your confidence. Another big mistake people make, they think fluency means having a perfect American accent, but that is false. Guys, fluency is not accent, fluency is clarity. Your accent tells your story. It shows where you came from. You don't need to sound foreign, guys, you need to sound confident. There are millions of fluent English speakers with Pakistani accent, Indian accents, Arabic accents, and African accents. Guys, because communication matters more than imitation. And honestly, guys, many people quit English because their learning method feels so painful. Guys, you want to improve English faster? So make English enjoyable. Watch interviews, podcasts, movies, daily vlogs, and simple conversation. That's it. Learn English from real life, not just textbooks. So guys, the real reason your English is not improving, it's not lack of talent. Guys, it's your method. You are translating too much, fearing mistakes, consuming instead of practicing, chasing perfection, and avoiding discomfort. Guys, but the moment you start speaking daily, even imperfectly, your English starts transforming. And guys, remember this, Fluent people are not special, they just simply practiced longer without quitting. And maybe your fluency journey doesn't start when you learn more English. Maybe it starts when you stop being afraid to speak. So, guys, that's it for today. If this video helped you, then this channel is for you because here we don't just learn English, we build confidence. So, subscribe and start speaking English daily. Your fluency journey starts now.